sibyo. Abarasta batangiye ryari, batangiye ari abarakare. Ikindi cyo mutazi, rasta yatangijwe nande? Rasta en fait anyway, biriya byatangijwe n'abarakare bo muri Jamaica. Abenshi bari bavuye muri Congo. Buriya Congo niyo hamwe n'abagabone bashiramo vodou. Niho rasta ikomoka. Nabonye abantu barimo badisita benshi ngo bya rasta ngo simbizi. Ndayizi cyane 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 mu buryo nzi ivuka ryayo, ndayizi cyane.
I saw some people debating on what I thought about Rastafarism. I understand its origin, where it came from. Some origins are from Congo, others from Gabon.
Marcus
Garvey
nibo batangiye
are the founders of the Rastafarism movement. And Rodney started to write about it.
Imaze gupfa uwaje kongera kwizamura ni Bob Marley. Bibiciye mu kuririmba.
Revived Rastafarism by his story songs.
Icyo bakoraga kubera imico yo muri Congo kera babatwara ari imbohe, bagiraga ikintu cy'urumogi bita cannabis. Kugira ngo ubashe kuja mu mwuka wagombaga kunywa cannabis. Nukuvuga ngo umurasta agomba kuja mu yindi si. Donc ari byo bita Babylon.
So
ndayizi cyane.
The reason why
The
reason why Rastas
smoke
cannabis or marijuana, the origin is from Congo a long time ago, where they were also worshipping idols. They had to smoke cannabis to go into trance and worship their idols. That's why it's involved in Rastafarism. When they missed where they came from as slaves,
so mu buryo bamwita ngo niwe Yesu. Ngo abarastafara Yesu wabusuyu wacu ni Haile Selassie uriye muri Ethiopia wapfuye.
So
donc ni gute mwakwambara birabiye?
Rastafarism is a false religion. They are Jesus, the Messiah is Haile Selassie from Ethiopia, so they don't have the same Jesus, same Messiah as us.
Niwe bita ngo n'intare y'umuryango wa Yuda, niyo mpamvu bagirana n'iyintare.
They call him the Lion of Judah. Haile Selassie, not Jesus, our old Jesus. So why did they start to have dreadlocks?
No.
They didn't read it from the Bible. The reason why those from the Rastafarian religion have dreadlocks.
Ubundi dini rya Rastafarism ryarabirabura bashaka kwikukira ngo bave kujya bazungu.
Ariko sibwo buryo tuzikukira.
Uburyo tuzikukira tuzasoma Bibiliya.
We are going to be delivered by reading the Bible,
rigizwe n'imisozi
so that we know that the church is made of 7